Okay, stop. Guys, I need to put the phone down. No, you can't have the ball. You can't have the ball. You cannot have the ball. You can't have the ball. Guys, she's like 11 years old. In reality, she's acting like a baby. She's acting like a baby. Guys, she's 11 years old. I'm 10 years old and I'm 10 and she's 11. Guys, she's licking the ball. Bad baby. Bad baby. Bad baby. Guys, she's 11 years old. Bad. Bad baby. Bad baby. Bad baby. Stand up. Stand up. If you stand up, I'll let you have the ball for eternity. If you stand up. If you don't stand up, then I'm going to take the ball from you. Turn around. Bad. Bad baby. Guys, she's 11 years old. You better stop that.
Ow!
You're gonna have to dry the office. I don't even want to touch that anymore. No. Okay, guys. I'll have to update you guys.
No!
Give me my phone back. Nope. Bye, guys. Have a